These are fish that were cast by Christopher Smith, and they're the basis of the exhibition, Soft Shores. I will be making about 300 to 1,000 smaller fish, the herring that will be hanging from the ceiling, and there'll be a herring ball, sort of like a whole bunch of fish all gathered together. Usually I provide a piece of glass and we'll make something from it together in the hot studio. That always works with glass blowers. But this one is three separate people: a steel artist, a glass casting artist, and myself glass blowing. And we're going to come together, and we've had meetings about, well, how are we going to do this, and how is it going to work, and how can we have a stream. And I think it's an interesting collaboration. I think it's going to be a beautiful show.